Hey there, Paul from SmartSend here again. In this video, we're going to look at fulfilling your order through the Australian Shipping by SmartSend Shopify app and minimizing your shipping costs by consolidating your packing. That is, we're giving you the option of putting multiple order items into other packaging. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is to click through from the order in the Shopify store admin area using the Fulfill with SmartSend link. And we see that in this order, we've got 3 items of varying weights and sizes. Now, by default, the system treats each item as a separate package. This includes multiples of items too. If, for example, there were 2 of each item in this cart, then there would be 6 items listed here when it comes to getting shipping quotes. By the way, you might also note that in the cart, this item here is 400 grams, but in the shipping list, it's listed as 1 kilo. That's because all weights are rounded up to 1 kilogram. So let's have a look at how we can reduce the number of packages and thus the shipping prices. Check out our friendly instructions. We see that says that lower shipping prices may be possible by combining items into fewer packages. Simply click one or more of the highlighted items and then choose a package. Clicking again will deselect that item from the package. Now, the first item is actually a carton itself. So we're just going to wrap that and whack the address label on it. It can stay in the packing instructions as is. However, the next 2 we're going to put into a carton. We click on each one to add it to the packing plan. And we can also click it again to remove it. But let's put them back in there. Okay, now we see the proposed package items, and we just have to select a package. Clicking the drop down, we see the standard packing, Australia Post standard parcels, as well as Couriers Please and Fastway fixed price satchels. However, we want to put these into a spare carton we have lying around, so let's add that to the carton list. Click on the packaging link at the very top, and we're at the packaging screen. So our options are to edit an existing package, which also gives us the option of deleting it, as long as it's not in use by any existing orders, that is. Or we can create a new package, either from scratch or by cloning or copying the details from an existing item. Here's how cloning works. Simply select the package, click clone, and we see that the new package form has been pre-filled for us. But we're going to do one from scratch, so let's just reset that. Okay, we're going to choose carton as the package type, and the dimensions as 50 centimeters by 30 centimeters by 20 centimeters. And we're going to call it spare carton. Now the max weight is there to warn us if what we're putting into the box is too heavy. This isn't the weight that we'll be using for the quote though. That weight is the total of all the items that are placed in the container. Add package, and we can see it there. So we return to the order page and reload. And we're going to select the cart items again that we wish to package. There they are. And we'll select our new carton. And finally, you've got to acknowledge that you've done everything right and that there won't be any surprises for the courier. If your packages are bigger and or heavier than what you've been quoted for, there'll be an extra cost applicable. Let's just check that now. Now we click on Create Package. The page will refresh and we'll see our custom carton in the list with the 2 items inside it. And we see that the weight is that of the 2 items inside it combined. Now, if we change our mind and we want to repackage those items, mouse over the custom packing and click the Unpack button. And you see we're back to where we started with each one individually presented. Okay, that concludes our fulfillment and packaging tutorial. In our next video, we'll select the shipping quote and complete order fulfillment. Thanks for watching.